What up, YouTube? It's your boy GB here. I'm coming at you today with Yu-Gi-Oh! Spirit Warriors pack opening. I have 10 of these here. I picked them up at my local Target today. I'm thinking about doing a box opening later in the week, but I don't know. I'll see if my budget can afford it. So anyway, without further ado, let's crack these open and hope we pull something valuable. Caspar. Alright. Return of the Six Samurai, Scrap Iron Scarecrow, the Weather, Auroral Canvas, I think it's pronounced, Scrap Iron Statue, Secret Six Samurai, okay, nice secret rare, Hatsume, very nice. I'm going to put these aside in Weather deck, Samurai deck, and just general cards. Alright, pack number 2. Alright, let's see what we get. Gateway of the Six, Grandmaster of the Six Samurai, Return of the Six Samurai, Legendary Six Samurai Kizan. Oh, the Weather Painter Aurora. Very nice secret. Oh yeah. Alright, on to pack number 3. Come on. Crack this open. Alright. Miraculous Descent. Scrap Iron Statue. Honest. Beckoning Light. Magical Musket Last Stand. Okay. That's valuable. Maybe I'll use it in a deck. I don't know. General cards. Alright, let's see what else we got. Double-edged sword technique. The Six Shinobi. It's the new trap card. That's very nice. Grandmaster. Shadow of the Six Samurai. Okay, that's very nice. The Weather Thundery Canvas. Alright, another weather trap. So far, most of the secrets I'm pulling are weather deck. Now, I honestly haven't read up on the lore, so I'm not sure if the weather cards are supposed to be an extension off of like Crawlers, World Chalice, things like that. Weather Rainy Canvas. Ooh, Cross Domination. Very nice. Alright. Next pack. Alright. Snowy Canvas. Photon Veil. Double-edged sword technique, the Six Shinobi, secret skills of the Six Samurai. Secret skills for a secret rare. Or is that secret? Yeah, that's secret rare. Yeah. Right. Pack number 7. I'm going to be honest with you people, I just looked up the prices of these cards before I'd started opening these, so I didn't read up on what most of them do, so yeah. Alright. Dojo. Okay. Or Doji. Yeah, that's very nice. I'm still looking for Magical Musketeer Caspar. That's the big one. Battleguard Howling, the Six Shinobi, Shien's Advisor, Backs to the Wall, Weather Painter Thunder. Okay. I'll take it. Alright, and next we have... I have no idea how to pronounce that, so I'm just going to move on. Sunny Canvas, Rainy Canvas, Kid Brave, Magical Musket, Dancing Needle. Okay. That's something. Alright. Last pack. Come on. Come on, Secret. Beckoning Light. Hand of the Sixth Samurai. Magical Musketeer Calamity. Shien's Dojo. And Secret Skills of the Sixth Samurai. Alright. Not bad. I've got the bulk of a Sixth Samurai deck now, so I guess that's something. So yeah, if you guys like this video and you're new to my channel, please click the like and subscribe buttons. Every subscription helps my channel grow just that much more. Oh, and my recent regional video, I know I haven't posted it yet. It's a compounded fact that I was just too tired when I got home to film the closing part of it, and honestly, I just didn't have the time, so I'm going to get that posted as soon as possible. I mean, it's not that big a deal. I didn't really pull anything all that notable. I won 4 out of the 9 duels. That's probably the best I did thus far. But yeah, just wait for my next video, and until then, this is Jibby. Peace out.